Guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much. For those of you who haven't, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be updated when I uploaded my new videos. So today we're gonna be taking the car on the shop, installing a pressure hose switch because I've been having this problem for like month and a half now already, and it's been really costing me too much power steering fluid. Like every drives, like replace, refill, like yeah, that's actually the list is getting more expensive. So today we're gonna be taking the car to the shop. We're gonna get this fixed, and hopefully we don't have any more issues. But yeah, well, you get my point. So let's get in there and let's get this thing fixed. We're gonna wear a mask for coronavirus prevention. Gotta get safe, bro. Alright, let's go. Gotta love that sound, bro. That muffler though. Go for a quick pit stop right here. So first, all right. So I'm gonna give a huge shout out to Sir Christopher for providing me this part that I need. This is what you call the pressure hose switch, and this is the part that got damaged. This one, it's like this plastic part has been cracked real bad, and power steering fluid is like flowing out of it and spilling everywhere. So this is the part that gonna get replaced today. So a little bit, it's a small part for the pressure hoses, so it's like gonna be a 10-minute quick fix. So hopefully it doesn't take long, and then we'll observe what will happen once the part is installed. So are we done? Alright, so let's go back to the road, guys. Guys, we have arrived at the shop, and they're pretty loaded with customers right now, but I think they're gonna have time for me because it's like gonna be like a 10 to 15 minute fix. It's like that. And well, let me show you guys. So this is the garage where I took my car last month when they had this checked up for, you know, for inspection to where was I thought my power steering fluid was leaking from my rack and pinion, but it's not. They actually diagnosed it. It was not leaking from the power for the rack and pinion, because that's gonna be a for me that's gonna be an expensive fix. But thankfully this is only the part that we're gonna be replacing for today, and I'm just waiting for my turn. Maybe they can like more 30-15 minutes more. Oh, they're replacing some of the tires. So I think, yeah, I'll give you guys an update when it's my turn actually. Yeah. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, make sure you do right now. I'm waiting for it. Click on that thumbs up video. Let's give this video a like so that we can make more good content. Let's get this video. Let's all get educated. Actually, let's all get educated on our cars, especially on Honda. I love Honda so much, especially the VTEC type. All right, so yeah, I'll give you guys an update when it's my turn. So right here, guys, I finally have the chance to check the car. I think They're gonna be installing this right now. They're checking. I'm gonna show you guys first. Sir?
Gawin, hindi na kumakas.
Gumagagas sir, pero hindi na ganun kalakas. Basta talaga nakikita yung pag sa ganito may mga yung pula talaga na steering fluid yung mga. Then dito pala, kaya may mga langas dito. Yung goma nandito, hindi ko napansin. Hindi, andito, nakapalibot dyan. Loko-loko yung last na mayari.
Goma na.
Yan, itong goma, yun. Yung seal. Oo, nandito. Tapos kaya saan ko ba't laging basa dito? Buti hindi masyado nabasa yung mga timing belt. Show you guys yeah, I think alright, are you seeing that one, that little green? Yeah, so that's what we're going to replace. So it's in a really tricky spot, but well, they already diagnosed this last month, so they already know how to get around that part, so it's gonna be like a quick fix. Alright guys, so power steering is one of my main concern right now, but of course when we're gonna have this car, of course a Honda without a VTEC is like, I don't know. Yeah, this car is not VTEC, so anyone guys wondering, it's not VTEC. Hopefully I might be able to get one soon. I'm so outsourcing. I was looking for an H22 engine. You know, I like the sound of that engine very much. And yeah, well, when I get the chance, of course, we're gonna be engine replace. We're gonna replace this engine and make this guy come alive. Just gonna be alive. We're waiting for that. Let's go hi to Prim. Primo! Hello, baby. So hot. He's so hot. Oh. Hey, he's so cute. He's so cute. Hi, Ma. Alright, that's my mother and that's our pet Primo. I have two more dogs at home. One is Chica, one is Ivy. They all love me so much and I love them all. But Primo's the, what do you call this? The youngest of them, of the three, and he's still like a baby. He's 4 months old. Yeah, he's 4 months old. Just want to share with you guys. While I'm waiting for the engine to cool down for it because it's too hot right now. Yeah, because the engine's still too hot. Yeah, of course, can't touch anything that's too hot. You might get burned. We're waiting. I'll keep you guys updated. You guys can actually see it right here. So yeah, when you see this, that's coming from the power steering, pressure hose switch, all that sludge of oil. Guys, getting the part replaced is easy. It's how you get to the part that's the tricky. That's the tricky part that difficult for them to actually go through right now, but they already know it's just that very tricky, and the engine still maybe still a little hot right now, so excuse me for the sound. The dog's like barking at my dog right now, so yeah. Alright guys, to give you guys an update, he already took it out and see what it looks like. Not supposed to look, but it's not focused. This is what it's supposed to look like. Why is it not focused? That's what it's supposed to look like. And here's your broken part. You can actually tell from the looks of the hose that so many oil has been spilled already. Yeah, so there's your problem. Pressure hose switch is not supposed to look like that. See, it's full of oil, full of power steering fluid actually. Correct me, yeah. It's full of power steering fluid. See, look. Dang. Then when you replace it, it's just like that. Quick fix, plop, snap. Yeah. Told you guys, it's a quick fix. It's getting to the part that's tricky. Oh, short. Kaya bibili na lang sa daan. Dagan na lang. Check mo ito, boss. Ano? May coolant pa to eh nung ano. Hindi kaya...
Coolant?
Oo, parang nagkulang.
Sakto lang yan. Ha? Nagdagan mo lang.
Nagdagan lang?
Coolant siya, tubig lang.
Coolant. Hanggang ano lang dyan, hanggang sa makita lang yung coolant dyan.
Ikaw, kung papalitan mo ng coolant, dadagdagan mo lang.
Dagdagan ko na lang muna. Okay. Now guys, the car is running, making sure that... Okay na sir.
Coolant siya.
Yung coolant.
Yung steering.
Steering fluid. No leaks na sir? Ano siya, wala nung leaks na? Pwede eh? Oh. Yeah, so everything's good, no leaks, no something, and the steering feels much smoother right now actually. It's like smooth before, but now it's like so free. Like you're not actually forcing the wheel to turn, so that's good. Yeah?
Ano na yan? Coolant na lang.
Coolant na lang. Alright.
Kasi wala nang laman yung ano mo eh. Baka maubusan.
Okay. Now that the pressure hose switch is finally fixed, everything's running well. The steering wheel is real smooth. The driving experience is real smooth right now. It's not like it's smooth before, but having like a rough edges. And wait. Yeah, it's great, and I'm glad that's finally over or finally done. I can move on to things that I want to do with this car, and yeah, I'm hoping to do this as soon as I can. Then I can share everything with you guys, everything that I experienced and everything that I'm learning, because I'm not a mechanic and don't know much about car, but you're gonna be learning with me. For those who are newbies to the car world just like me, this will be a great experience for us, like checking minor things about our cars, especially on the Accord. With those who have loved Accord guys, by the way, yeah, you know what I mean. Then it need to clean this window or check the power or the rotors, because it's like acting up when, see, it's not going up really well. Yeah, I need to check that up one. Anyway, there's a ton of things that I want to do with this car, and I want to explore. I want to learn everything that I can when it comes to car, because I love cars, and especially Honda, as I mentioned before. And yeah, I think that's about it. And once again, shout out to Sir Christopher for reaching out to me when I was looking for that part for the pressure hose switch. And if anyone who's local around Zambales, looking for a great shop for checking up your Honda Accord, I would recommend Sir Mark. That's the garage is called Unimark, and it's in San Marcelino, Zambales. Huge shout out to them. They've been really helpful, and they're very, very nice people actually. And that's about it. And hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification button, drop a like, and that would be really helpful. Once again, my name is JZ. Thank you so much. Bye bye.